Hi friends, time for a new math game. This is going to be a math game about shapes, and we have done lots of activities with shapes, but this game sort of puts it all together. So we're going to be doing lots of different jobs. The first thing you're going to need for this game is a dice. Okay? The only other thing that you're going to need is something that you're going to have to make. So you'll need a piece of paper. And what you're going to need to make is called a key. And it's not like a key for opening a door. A key is something that gives us clues about something. So like when you look at a map, it has a key at the bottom, and so it tells you what all of the little symbols mean. So if you see like a picture of a little tree on a map, you would look at the key to tell you, oh, that's like the list of clues that you would say, oh, the tree on this map means that there's a park nearby. Okay, so the key is a list of clues. So you're going to make your key. And what it's going to be a list of is what each of these numbers on the dice mean. Because there's not a game board for this dice, or for this game. There's not a game board for it. So if you roll a 3, okay, what does that mean? That's what the key is going to tell you. So the first thing that you'll need to do on your key for Shape Hunter is to draw a picture, or you can write the number of each of the sides of the dice. Okay, so I did the 1, I did the 2, I did the 3, and the 4, I did the 5, and I did the 6. So you can draw pictures to match each of the sides of the dice, or you can use numbers. I did both. Okay, so that's the first part of it, is drawing the pictures to match the dice. The second part of your key is going to be to tell what each of those numbers mean. Okay, and what the numbers mean are 4 different shapes and 2 extra kinds of clues, extra challenges. Okay, so the first one is triangle. Doesn't have to be green. I just colored it green so you could see it more easily. Circle is the next one. Again, it doesn't have to be yellow. I just wanted you to see it more easily. So triangle, circle, square, and rectangle. Those are your 4 shapes that you're going to draw on your key. The other 2 things that you're going to add is a spot for 3D shapes and Kids' Choice. So those are your 6 clues. The list of dice, and then triangle, circle, square, and rectangle, 3D shapes, and Kids' Choice. Now, you can put them in any order you want. So I made it so that number 1 on my game always means triangle. I made it so that number 4 on my game always means rectangle. But maybe in your game you want number 1 to mean Kids' Choice, and you can then write Kids' Choice by the number 1. Okay? On my game I wanted number 5 to be 3D shapes. Maybe on your game you want number 3 to be 3D shapes. And so then when you draw your 3 or you write it, you would write 3D shapes next to it. So we all need to do this part. We all need to have this list, but you can put this list in whatever order you want. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, let's play Shape Hunter. I'm going to leave my key right there because you're always looking at the key to help remember what the numbers mean. Okay, and we're going to roll a dice and then find the shape that we roll around our house. Okay, so finding the shape around our house. We've made shapes, we've looked at shapes, we've talked about shapes, we've even built them or drawn them. But today we're going to find things that are that shape. Okay? Did you hear that? Okay. I rolled a 1, and on my game, number 1 means triangle. So I will have to, around my house, find a triangle. And I'm kind of looking because, oh, I see one. You see that little triangle on my pointer? Kind of looks like a triangle. Okay. And then it will be the next person's turn. Okay, I don't have anyone up here today, so I'm going to take the next turn just to show you. I got a 5, and on my key, yours might be different, number 5 means 3D shape. So I have to find a 3D shape, and it can be whatever you like as long as you can tell what it is to your partner. As long as you can tell the name of the shape that you find, then you can choose what you want here. Okay, so 3D shape. I'm going to choose this one. Is the shape candle? No, that's what it is. I need to name the shape. And this shape, remember, it's kind of, there's like a circle here, but is it a flat shape? No, 3D. Okay, this one is cylinder. Cylinder, so I found a cylinder for my 3D shape. Okay, so you can make your key, get your dice, decide what order your things are going to go into, and get ready to play Shape Hunter. Have fun!